Hello everyone, I am VC and ESHIKA KATEKHAYE, and in my JEE Mains January attempt 2024, I scored 99.83 percentile. I would like to thank the Vora classes YouTube channel from my whole heart. Before my JEE Mains exam, I had followed the Buland one-shot series, which was very beneficial for me. I could focus on the important topics, I could strengthen my weak topics, and it was a great opportunity to summarize the vast syllabus that I have learned in the past 2 years. Also, along with that, I had joined the VOTS, which is Vora online test series. The mock tests were much similar to the actual NTA JEE Mains examinations, and I could in a more detailed manner analyze and improve myself, because along with the mock test we were also provided with the video solutions. So I would like to thank the whole Vora classes team for being a very important and crucial part of my JEE Mains journey. Thank you.